to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here with me today. This week I'm coming off of a rough week. I did not feel good last week. I had the sinus infection, plus I had a lot of back pain and just could not do hardly anything. It was hard for me to drive. It was hard for me to clean, so I didn't really clean last week. Thankfully, I have a wonderful husband and he was able to help me clean. But today I wanted to start our video off with a small Ross haul that I did, and I'm wearing one of the pajamas right now, and I want to show you. I did get like 3 sets of pajamas. I got some pants and I think I got some shirts, but I want to show you guys everything that I got, and I will start first with the pajamas I have on. So here are my pajamas. I got these from Ross and I really like them. They are so soft, they are loose and comfortable. Normally I don't like sleeping in loose pants because as you move in the bed they roll up on you, but these actually don't do that, and I really like these. I like the shirt. It's nice and flowy. This is my second pajama set. I also got this at Ross and I really like it. It does fit firm, so ignore the fat rolls. And it's got a little saying up here. It says, "Don't forget to smile." And on this pajama set was this tag, and it says soft and cozy set, and it is soft and cozy. These pajamas are soft and cozy. But yeah, this is it fits snug. It's a size, I buy my pajamas at a smaller size because I like for them to fit tight, snug. Not really like tight, but snug. And so all of these that I'm showing you are a size large. Even the one that was a little flowy, I think it's either a large or an extra large. I really liked it, and they only had one left, so I took the last one. But I'm going to try on one more, and then I'm going to get to the clothes. This is the third pajama set, and it fits a little snug. The pants are like legging material, but very soft and very comfortable. I think this would be very comfortable to sleep in. I really like it. It's got like a razor back. You can see my bra, sorry. And see my girls, but you know what? I'm a big person, so I like what I buy, and I really like these pajamas, and I like the other two that I got. And now I'm going to show you. I got one pair of blue jeans and I think 2 shirts, so I hope the blue jeans fit. Okay, so this is the first shirt that I wanted to show you. I got it from Ross, and it's big. It's true to size, but it gives a little bit here, which is what I need, and I really like it. It covers this area, and yeah, I've got shorts on. I'm going to start cleaning here in a minute, and the blue jeans that I got do not fit me, but I am going to hang on to them because the weight that I have on me right now is basically water weight, and I'm taking medication to try to get rid of it. I'm sure you guys all know about the back problems that I've been having, and I went and had epidurals, and if you know anything about epidurals, or it's steroids, and if you know anything about steroids, they make you gain weight like crazy. So that is why I have gained so much weight. I am losing it slowly. I think I'm down already about 9-10 pounds. So I am losing it slowly, but it is a struggle because the medication that I have to take for my back causes the water weight in my legs, and it's just in my legs. Yeah, they're a lot bigger than, you know, they've ever been, and it's because of this water weight. Okay, out of everything that I got, this is my favorite. I love how it's torn here, and it's torn up here, and it's torn on this shoulder too. And there is some writing. It says blessed, and then it gives you the definition of blessed. It does fit snug, but I like clothes that fit snug. Some people say it makes me look a little smaller. I don't know. I don't see the difference, but I do like clothes that fit snug to kind of hold everything in place. But yeah, this is my favorite shirt out of the entire haul. And this shirt, I believe, was $9.99. And then the black shirt that I tried on for you was $6.99. The blue jeans were $15.99, and each set of the pajamas was $12.99 each. And then I got a bunch of Easter decor that I will show you closer to Easter. And so I spent just under $200 for everything that I got, for the clothes, the Easter decor, everything that I got from Ross. And these shorts, I've had these shorts for a while, and it's warmer today in Georgia. It's about 57 outside, and it's hot in my house right now. I need to go turn on some ceiling fans, and I'm going to start on my laundry. I'm going to put my new stuff in the laundry, except for this shirt. I'm going to wear this shirt. I like it. But I'm going to see how much I can get done today.
Tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because
I wanted to share this shirt with you as well. It did not come from Ross. It came from a company called Eco Wish. They reached out to me on Amazon, and they let me pick out which one I wanted. And I love this. Look at this sleeve, you guys. I love sleeves like that. It's very light, so I could wear this in like the springtime. And it's got the little, I don't know what you would call these. To me, it looks like threaded or tangled up yarn, thread, but it's very soft. Now, this is a shirt that would need to be washed on gentle cycle. So when I wash the family's mask and some other items, I wash them on gentle cycle. So I will just be throwing this shirt in there with them. Just wanted to share this with you. I love it. I think it's very flattering. It is a size extra large and it fits to size. I really like this. It's very nice. I think this would be really cute to go on like a date night with my husband, if he ever takes me out on a date night. But I think it would go good with either a pair of leggings or a pair of blue jeans. And I plan to match it with a pair of blue jeans. My son made this in art class. It's a castle. Some of the stuff broke off of it. It's in there, but it's a castle and it's got a bridge that goes from here down. But isn't it, I mean, there, right there, you can see that it's kind of like a castle. And then it's the moat. You can see it right there, and then the grass around the moat. I just think it's so cute, y'all.
In action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you?
Okay, I did a little grocery Instacart, so I'm gonna share what I got with you guys. So we liked baked Lay's chips, so I got 2 bags for the kids. It's basically the same except the Cheetos. Nope, the Cheetos are the same. So I got 2 bags of those, and yes, you guys, look, this kitchen table is a mess. I told you it's a catch-all for everything, and I can't turn on the light in here because the bulb's broke or blown, and we haven't been able to replace it. So I prefer baked chips. So I got me 2 bags of those, and then some Schoolwork Bellas, and then I like caramel popcorn too. I especially like the peanuts. So I'm gonna try these. I wanted Cracker Jacks, but they didn't have any. So I got these. I got us some grits. My son and daughter both love grits. I got this for their snacks at school. So it's just these 3 cookies, and they each have 4 packs. And then my kids love this dinner, the Ultimate Cheeseburger Mac. Normally, okay, so when Laura lived here, I would cook 2 boxes. So when she moved out, I went down to 1, but realized quickly that 1 is not enough. So I'm gonna go back to 2 because my kids are so hungry when they come home from school. My son he ate like 2 bowls, and there was hardly any left for my husband. So, and then I got them spaghetti and meatballs. I just got 2 cans. Oh, it's SpaghettiOs and meatballs. So I got them 2 cans. They wanted jalapeno Cheetos, but I got this instead. I don't know why. I think they were out of what I wanted in this size bag, and so they sent me that instead. And then this bag of chips, this is just regular potato chips. I prefer my kids to eat this and not the baked, but I don't withhold from them. I let them eat whatever they want within reason. You know, they're not going to sit here and eat the whole thing. And then I got these for my husband. They're jalapeno ranch ruffles. And you see all this mess. We had Subway last night, so there's trash lingering from that. There's just junk. This I got for my little mini Christmas tree in the office. I just haven't went in to wrap it and put it in this container yet. So I did pick up these bags. So I was wanting a big bag like that Cheetos back there, but they didn't have it. So like this. So I got them these 2 bags. They don't share well. I'm sure I'm not the only one. Raise your hand if your kids don't share well. So I got 2 of these, 1 for Seth, 1 for Bella. And then I got a 6-pack or 2 6-packs of Sprite. With my gastro issues, Sprite really helps soothe my stomach. So I got a couple of those for me, and then I got a 12-pack of Mountain Dew for my husband. He loves Mountain Dew. So I believe that is all that I got. Yeah, I don't see anything else. Oh, I did put away all the cold stuff already. So let me show you what else I got. And all of this is basically for my kids because they're starving when they come home from school. And I'm sorry I keep repeating that, but it's true. So I got so many of these. I thought I just got 6 of one and 6 of the other. So like 12 total, but evidently I got lots more than that. So this is ham and Swiss. This is ham and Swiss. This is my favorite one. This is ham and cheddar. This is the kids' favorite one. And then this is turkey and American. This is my kids' favorite one. So I got some for me because I like as a snack. I don't really eat dinners or meals because I'm so sick to my stomach all the time. I just snack on stuff like that. And I need the protein that's in there. I got these because I bought a box of this a while back. and my kids loved it, and they've been begging for more. So I got more. I got 3 boxes this time, and they only had apple. So I'll give you that. And then here are the other Lunchables. I told you guys, they sent us, this is more than I ordered, I think. It could be what I ordered, I don't know. Nothing in there. I mean, there's stuff in there, but nothing that I ordered. And then, of course, I had to get me more coffee. So that's what I got. And then I got my son these 2 drinks because he likes these drinks, but I don't let him drink them a lot. So this is like the 2nd time this month that he's had it.
Oh, you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination.
Okay, if y'all notice I'm walking funny, like with my feet, I apologize. It is my feet. They are so swollen and they hurt so badly, but I'm going to clean this kitchen and then I am calling it a day.
I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me.
Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. I apologize I was not able to get the kitchen after shots because my camera died. But I was able to get the living room, kitchen, and master bedroom cleaned. And appreciate all of you. And I will see you at the next one. Bye now.
Why are you changing your mind? Nah, 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 we ain't got